We have the data of sample superstore, which consists of variables like city, country, postal code, region, etc., on which I have to perform exploratory data analysis. This is the dashboard which I have created, and it consists of 3 sheets. The first analysis is based on profit versus sales ratio. It consists of 3 categories, which is furniture, office supply, and technology, which is further divided into subcategories. Here the dark blue line depicts high profit to sales ratio, and the dark orange line depicts low profit to sales ratio. It is clearly visible that technology consists of product of high sales and furniture consists of product of low sales. Further, in each category we have high sale and low sale products. Just like in category furniture, we have high sale product like chair and low sale product like bookcases and tables. So we have to increase sales and supply of product like phones, copier, accessory and chairs, and we have to decrease sales and supply of product like bookcases, tables. The second analysis is based on state-wise allocation of profit. It consists of 3 variables: country, state and profit. The states like New York, New Jersey, Mississippi, Michigan, Indiana and Georgia consist of continuously increasing profit. Whereas states like Colorado, Florida, North Carolina, Ohio consist of continuously decreasing profit. So we should increase sales and supply to the states like New York, Michigan, Georgia and California, whereas we should limit our sales and supply to the states of Colorado, Florida and Ohio. The third analysis is based on the geographical location, in which we have 5 variables: country, city, region, profit and sales. The whole geographical location is divided into 3 regions: central region, east and west region. In the cities of central region we have very low profit and it is also negative somewhere. Now moving further towards east region, the profit is low as well. By moving towards the cities of west region, profit is slightly increasing. So the manager should focus more on the cities of west region than the cities of central and east region.